everyone, I'm Dr. Clara Blood, and today I'm going to be presenting on how a musician is an athlete, and I will explain how to optimize your physical preparation and how to prevent injuries. We're going to talk about our core strengthening exercises, the importance of practice breaks, great practice break stretches, and the importance of long-term planning. Your body is your instrument. You want to build a strong and flexible core to optimize breath control, sound production, and create long musical lines. You will produce the greatest benefit for improving sound production, endurance, lengthening phrases, and most importantly, preventing injury. I prefer high planks for oboists and most musicians in general because it focuses more on wrist, forearm, and shoulder strength. Most people have tight hip flexors from extended periods of sitting. Sitting puts the hip flexors in a flexed position for long periods of time. Imagine how tired your biceps would be if you flexed for hours on end. The same thing occurs with your hip flexors. They're constantly flexed and they need a little bit extra tender love and care and some stretching out. Most of us who sit at a computer or lean over a reed desk, hold a violin, any instrument in front of us, we're gonna have tight lat muscles. Stand up from your practice chair, step away from your practice area. It's not a workout unto itself, it's just a little mini reset for your mind and body. Once again, crouching over a reed desk, typing on a computer, these things put the spine in a constantly flexed position. Foam rolling the upper portion of the back, also known as the thoracic spine, is a great way to work on spinal extension. Just as an athlete plans for training around her race schedule, you need to create long-term practice plans to prepare yourself for the semester's performance schedule. Why is this important? Well, you can't cram for a marathon without seriously risking injury, and you can't cram for a recital without seriously risking injury. At the beginning of every semester, map out all your important performances and set long-term, mid-term, and short-term practice goals to make sure you aren't cramming the week or days before the big event. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. I hope you found it helpful, and please feel free to reach out with any oboe performance, mindset, or physical training questions you have. You can find me at clarablood.oboe.com or on Instagram at clarablood.oboist. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.